Building a $10,000 per month business in 6 months is ambitious but achievable with the right strategy, focus, and execution. We'll show you a step-by-step business idea and plan for creating a high-ticket digital product business, as this model has low overhead and high profit margins. Our strategies are for educational purposes only. Business idea: high-ticket digital products. Focus on creating and selling a high-value digital product, such as an online course, coaching program, or digital toolkit, targeting a specific audience with a pressing need. Examples include online courses like real estate investing, fitness coaching, or personal finance. High-ticket coaching could cover areas like business growth, career coaching, or health transformation. Also, consider membership or mastermind groups. Now let's get cooking. Step-by-step business plan. Month 1. Research and validation. Identify a profitable niche. Pick a niche with demand and purchasing power, such as professionals, entrepreneurs, or investors. Use tools like Google Trends, YouTube, or Reddit to find trending topics. Validate the idea. Test the demand by creating a free lead magnet, like an ebook, guide, or webinar. Promote the lead magnet on social media, or run small ads to gauge interest. Collect emails of interested leads for future offers. Set income goals. To reach $10,000 per month, aim to sell 10 units of a $1,000 product, or 20 units of a $500 product. Month 2. Create your offer. Develop a high-value product. Focus on solving a specific problem with actionable results. Examples: for fitness coaches, a 12-week transformation program with meal plans and one-on-one check-ins. For real estate investors, a course teaching how to find and finance rental properties. Include bonuses. Add resources like templates, private communities, or exclusive Q&A sessions to increase perceived value. Set up the back end. Use platforms like Teachable, Kajabi, or Thinkific for courses. Use tools like Calendly for coaching sessions. Month 3. Build your funnel. Create a sales funnel. Landing page. Use tools like ClickFunnels or Lead Pages to capture leads. Webinar. Host a free training session to pitch your high-ticket product at the end. Email sequence. Create automated email follow-ups to nurture leads. Use testimonials. Get beta testers for your product and collect testimonials to boost credibility. Set up payment systems. Use Stripe, PayPal, or other payment gateways to handle transactions. Month 4. Start marketing. Leverage paid ads. Run Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube ads targeting your ideal audience. Use lookalike audiences to scale quickly. Content marketing. Create educational videos, blogs, or posts that provide value and build trust. Post consistently on platforms where your audience hangs out. Build authority. Share testimonials, success stories, and live sessions to position yourself as an expert. Month 5. Optimize and scale. Analyze results. Use analytics to determine what's working, such as ad performance and conversion rates. Optimize landing pages and ad copy for better results. Scale ads. Increase ad spend on campaigns with the highest ROI. Launch upsells. Offer additional products or services. For example, VIP coaching or a premium version of your product. Month 6. Hit $10,000 per month. Refine your processes. Automate tasks like lead generation and follow-ups. Outsource content creation or admin work to focus on growth. Expand your audience. Collaborate with influencers or affiliates to promote your product. Celebrate and plan for growth. Reinvent or add new products to continue growing beyond $10,000 per month. Tips for success. Focus on solving problems. The bigger the problem you solve, the more you can charge. Keep learning. Stay updated on marketing and sales strategies. Be consistent. Show up daily on your chosen platforms and engage with your audience. With the right execution, a high-ticket digital product business can scale quickly and help you reach your goal. Let me know if you'd like a more detailed action plan tailored to a specific niche. I should be charging you for this. If you like more information like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and tap the link in the description. Until next time, my friends, see you on the top.